normal, just normal gum, right? Right? It's bubble double. It's normal. Well, you've been fooled. Supposed to be slime, but it turned into Play-doh. So dope. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a special video for you. It's a bubble gum, but it's not just bubble gum. It smells like toothpaste. But guys, I do have something special. Hey, that ain't no good. In memory of our best friend, Stretch Armstrong. I have him in his box, which is his grave that I unboxed him in. He was unboxed. Right now it looks like nighttime. Well, it doesn't matter. But guys, it's so sad that Stretch has been put in his grave. There he is, guys. There he is. A wonderful man himself. Stretch Armstrong. He will be forever remembered on this channel. And he earned his own spot right here at my desk. He totally... I'm gonna get rid of that notification. There we go. Okay. So guys, he's going to be right here in honor of him. Because we need to honor Stretch Armstrong in his glory, beautifulness. Right here is my friend. So I'm kind of looking at his side right now with my Sony. And then the iPad's up here recording. Hey guys. So let me show you what this stuff is. It's Bubble Double. If you want to make this, I'll make another video dedicated to that. But right now, I'm just going to be showing you what it is. It's this. That's what it is. It's supposed... I was trying to make slime, but I ended up making Play-doh. It leaves barely any residue on my fingers. Guys, I did make a little table here for me to play with, but there it is in all of its glory. Oh, this stuff is hard. It's weird, but there it is, guys. There it is. In all of its glory. It rips apart really easily. I'm gonna clean up my desk here just a little bit. I'm gonna try patting all of this down so then it's all together, and then I'll put it on my desk and show you guys. I think we're good now. There it is, guys, there it is. Sounds hollow, but it isn't. There's all the cornstarch. I did cornstarch in this. That's part of the ingredient. Hint, guys, shout out. Nope, no shout out. By the way, guys, I got a couple editing things that I've been doing. If you hear a ding or a donk or whatever, that means you gotta click that bell icon. Because in memory of Stretch Armstrong, he said to click it last episode. Oh, I messed up the iPad there. He said to click it in the last episode, so if you didn't click it last episode, then you disrespected Stretch Armstrong while he was still alive, but he has been put to sleep, sadly. So here it is, in all of its glory. How many times are you gonna say that? I should make a slime video. We're gonna call this Slime Failure and see if big slime YouTubers come out and be like, yo, I'm gonna watch this, and then they comment. Look at that. Let's fill the entire screen with it. That should be a thumbnail if I knew how to make them. in the comments down below, tell me how to make a thumbnail.
YouTube will tell you how to do
I
it.
want to make thumbnails for you guys, so then... that didn't sound good. So then, you can, enjoy my videos by a thumbnail, too. That'd be pretty dope. I think it'd be cool if I got thumbnails.
How are we supposed to
again,
enjoy your videos just by a
iPad
stupid thumbnail? That's dumb. Isaiah, get your brain together, boy!
I will be doing a comparison video, hopefully right after this. There you go, guys. If I knew how to make thumbnails, that would be it. I'd put bam, bam, nope, bam. That's not there.
You created a monster.
That's not there. Bam, bam, bam. That right there would be the thumbnail. That would be the best thumbnail that anyone's ever made. If I knew how to make them. That's so cool. So guys, this stuff, if you don't pat it down, then it leaves a lot of residue. Like a lot. The iPad's picking it up right now.
Well, then show us, you dingus.
But, look at all that. Oh crap, it just got all over the MacBook.
If you notice later on in the video, I just get silent, and so I'm gonna record over my silent spots. I think it'll be better, and it won't be silent and stuff. See, there I'm washing my hands in front of you, stupid. I'm dumb.
Okay, guys, so that is. Wait, we need to repose this, so then Stretch is in the picture. Stretch, Armstrong. Oh. Is slippery. Beware, your hands get really slippery. He's not dead inside. He's not dead inside, guys. See, he's not dead inside. He's fully undead inside, you know?
That isn't a word. Insert cricket sound here.
Well, I'm definitely gonna be washing my desk after this. That is for sure. That is so for sure. My desk got so... Oh, crap. I keep on getting my MacBook dirty.
Then put it somewhere else!
That's for sure. So, guys, probably you want to do this in a pan, or else this will happen. And if you have a good desk like I do, or a $15 desk that you picked up at the yard sale.
What's the yard sale? You said the yard sale.
It doesn't matter, really. Just make sure you clean up. There it is, guys. So I'll make a separate video. If we can get 20 likes on this, I'll make more of this and show you how I made it.
I don't think I get any likes on my videos, so what am I talking about?
If we can get 20 likes, I will do that. But guys, I'm gonna set a really, really easy like goal. It's easy.
Okay.
It really is. If you want this stuff, because you don't want to make it, you're too lazy. If this video reaches 1 billion likes, 1 billion.
Your video's barely getting 9 likes!
I will send not only this stuff out to you, but Stretch Armstrong. It was upside down. He will be able to live with you guys. The Stretch of the Armstrong. If it hits 1 billion likes. Only if it hits 1 billion. But guys, well, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, then leave a like. Again, the like goal. You already know it, so I don't want to say it. You're gonna do lazy to say it. So just.
What are you, a car?
So there's one thing that the slime. It's a really, really easy ingredient to get. You can find it anywhere, but specifically only online. The bell icon. You have to click it in order to make this slime.
Something tells me that's a lie.
Click that bell icon. This slime isn't gonna be made. It just isn't. It will not. That's a new word. So guys, that's it. See you guys in the next video.
I really, really copied Matthias in all this. I really did. Go subscribe to Matthias. Matthias. He's pretty dope.